Hi, my name is Ethan. My role as the student one, and my character is the funny one.
Hi, my name is Asma. I play role as a student too. My character is the smart one. Hi, my name is Shifa. I play role as student 3 and I'm the practical one who got the methods. When you wear mild steel with a 30.2 mm electrode, you need around 90 to 120 amps. Like, too high, you burn the hole. Too low, you stick the electrode to the plate.
Oh, so it's like Goldilocks. Not too hot, not too cool, just right.
Except, I just gave a Goldilocks a sunburn. Also, what electrode do you use to solve? The shiny one, the fanciest. That's 6013, good for beginner. But you can just do it like a chopstick color.
I totally buy E6013 Red Hot Fusion. If it comes in a tube.
Alright, redemption time. Set current to 100 amp, keep a shock up and tilt the electrode about 70 degrees. And remember, safety first.
Welding warrior, ready for battle.
Wow! No explosion, it's working.
Nice big formation, clean, even and solid. That textbook welding.
Good job, team. This is how you do it. Calm, careful, and no dragon spark. Alright, what did we learn from today's adventure in motor method?
Correct current, electrode selection are everything. Keep a steady hand and always wear safety glove.
And never ever wait when you are hungry, and you must think it's barbecue time.
Great teamwork, from disaster to a perfectly welded masterpiece.
And we should rename ourselves the Spark Sisters.
As long as it's not the Fire Hazard Squad.
And when Chicago, I feel it. Another